Hi, welcome back. Here's my answer for this problem. Let's just go through and make sure everybody's on the same page. So I recommend you do the angle first, and here you know that angle S is the smallest one. And then after that, angle U is the next number, and angle T is the largest one, because it's a bigger number. And from there, just go ahead and start over. The small size, here's my smallest angle, so my small size is TU. Should be TU right here. Okay. And then next one, 60, going over here, ST. And our biggest one, 61 degrees, and I'm in the biggest size, SU. Okay. And you do the same thing for number 2. We'll do the side first. IJ is the smallest side. HI is my next biggest one, and the biggest one, of course, is HJ. And then just go back from there. Smallest size here, that means my smallest angle is 60. My next biggest number is 24. Move back, so angle J is a medium number. And finally, your largest size is 26. So you pull it back, that means your biggest angle is I. Okay? Now, let's talk about the next theorem. It's just based on the fact that you learned from exterior angle. What they want you to notice is that angle 1 right here is going to be bigger than the inside of angle A and angle B. Okay? I just want you to recognize that. So they want you to recognize that angle 1 is bigger than angle A. And then they want you to recognize that angle 1, the outside angle, is bigger than angle B. So that's what it is. So when you see a triangle like that, just know that the outside is bigger than the inside. And here's how we're going to prove it. So, if we look at this problem here, and just remember, to set it up, angle A is equal to the inside. The outside is equal to the inside of these two. So S is equal to Y plus Z. And remember, that's called exterior angle theorem. Now, we're going to do this algebraic, okay? We're not going to go and prove that much. We're just going to do an algebraic proof, okay? So basically what's going to happen, we're going to put a number. Let's just say this is 7 and this Z here is 3. So that means angle X has to be 10, because 7 plus 3 gives you 10. So this is a true statement. So we're trying to prove that the outside is greater than the inside. So X is greater than Y. Well, let's see. My X is here 10. My angle Y here is 7. That's true. Okay. So that seems to be working. It's a true statement. Let's do the other one. X compared to Z. They say that X has to be greater than Z. Well, let's see the X here 10. And the Z here 3. And yeah, this is true. 10 greater than 3, so this is a true statement. And there you go. That's how you can prove that it's true that the outside is bigger than the inside angle of these two. Okay? Alright, let's go to the next one, the most important concept of today's lesson. They want you to be able to identify how can I make a triangle. Okay? So the rule for any triangle is this. To make a triangle, any two sides of a triangle have to be greater than the third side. Okay? So, let's just go through this and I'll explain another way. But basically you have AC right here. That means AB plus BC has to be bigger than your third side. So you have these two sides have to be bigger than the third side. So let's say you have AC plus another one, AB, has to be bigger than BC. Okay? Over here, if you have BC plus your other side, AC, it has to be bigger than your third side, AC. Okay? So with all that letter, it could be a little bit confusing. So let's just go ahead and simplify this a bit more. I'm just going to name sides. let's say this is angle side 1, and this is side 2, is side 3. Okay. So here's the idea. Let's say I pick the first side. The first side saying that means the other two have to be bigger when you add them up. 2 plus 3 have to be bigger than your other side, side 1. Okay? And then you do more. We'll look at side 2. That means side 1 and side 3 have to be bigger than the second side. Let's go to the next one. Here's your third side. That means your first side and your second side have to be bigger than your third side. So that's what is it. These three right here are used to show that you can make this triangle and this rule cannot be break. Okay? So let's try example 3 and see if we get the concept. So, you have 3 sides. 2, 2, and 5. They're all centimeters. They want to know if it's possible or not possible. So, let's take the first 2 sides here. 2 plus 2 plus the third side, 5. Has to be bigger than the third side. When you do this, 2 plus 4 is 4. And you look at the statement, this is going to be false. So that means it's going to be not possible. Okay? Remember, the idea is to make any triangle, the first 2 sides have to be bigger than the third side when you add this up. Okay? So it's not true, it's false, so you say it's not possible. Let's try it again. Let's try B. Let's add these 2 sides, see what happens. 3 plus 2 has to be bigger than the third side, which is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. See that? But is this bigger? They're equal, but they're not bigger. So this is false. Okay? So here's not possible. You might want to write a little bit of note here, because they have to be bigger than the third side. Okay? Not equal. Just a note to yourself. Alright, let's try again. Let's go try C. Here you have these 2 sides, 2 and 4. So 2 plus 4 greater than the third side with 5. So let's see. That's 6. That is true. Let's keep going. 2 plus 5 greater than the other side, which is 4. 6. That's true. Let's try again. Let's see which one has to try. We try 2 and 5, 2 and 4. Oh, 4 and 5. Let's try that. 4 plus 5. How bigger than the other side, which is 2. And yep, this works. So you have all 3 of them work. So that means it is possible to make this triangle. Okay? Now, some guys are going to be asking, how come we didn't do 3 of this? We could. I mean, here, we could pick 2 plus 5, bigger than the other one, and that is true, but it doesn't matter because you have one that's already false here, so that makes the whole thing not possible. Okay? So the only way you can get possible is to get all 3 of them to say that both sides is bigger than the third side. Okay? So let's try the next one and see if we can do it.